Welcome, you're watching English with Akram, and today we have debate once again. And topic is that study through mobile phone is better or study through book is better. So, which medium of study is better? So, this team will speak in the favor of mobile, that study through mobile phone is better, and this team will speak in the favor of book, that study through is book better. So,
Good morning to all of you. My name is Rihan Ahmed, and today we are here to do debate. And the topic of the debate is about the method of the learning. Which way is better? Learning through the books or learning through the screen? Which one is better? And I would prefer that learning through the mobile phone will be the best way to study because there what actually can we do? The topics can be explained very well there because there what happens we have support, we have the social media apps like the YouTube, like the Google Meta AI. There we get the 3D animated videos by which what actually happens we can understand the topic very well. Even you will find before the exams or not only when there's no exam also, so students prefer the videos, 3D animated videos, so that they can understand the topic. For the story or for any subject like the chemistry, physics, biology, any subject, they prefer like that subject. Even not only this thing, but also for the practicals it is used a lot, because in the books how the practicals are taught, just written that this thing happens in that practical, the apparatus which we need, just it is told like that. But if we have the mobile phone, so through the mobile phone we can be explained, the practicals can be explained very well. For example, there's a practical of the fertilization, so there it can be explained very well, very easily, and we can understand very well through the 3D animated videos. But can we understand, can we imagine also? If we have only books, so how can we understand the practicals like the fertilization? Never we can understand, never we can imagine also.
So, hello everyone. Today I am very delighted to get this opportunity to come in front of you all and share my views on the topic that which way is better for learning. I am in the favor of books. So, firstly, I want to give answer that you mentioned that the on the mobile phone teacher teaches very well, but I am coming in the coaching and my teacher is teaching me very well, and I am understanding everything which my teacher is teaching. So if you are coming in the coaching, so you can take education from the coaching as well as.
Okay. If we have books, means we can understand, we can be taught through the teachers. But if we have mobile phone, so there's no need of money also, because I don't have to pay the money this much as much as you are thinking. Because for per subject, if I pay the 1,000 rupees for per subject, so it will be more costly, it will be more costly. But if I have only mobile phone and the recharge, so there I can study, I can be taught through the best teachers of the world, you can say. For example, dear sir, Khan sir, even the teacher Akram sir also teaches on the YouTube. So we can we can study through the YouTube also, through the mobiles also, we can study free of cost very easily. It can be taught very easily, it can be taught. And Safia was saying that Safia Hasmi was saying that in the Finland the mobile phone is not allowed. Okay, phone is not allowed in the schools, but through the digital board students are taught, and digital board is also is called the screen also. So it is said, it is very compulsory that if we are studying through the digital boards, it is also screen. So screen is this much beneficial that everywhere is it is being taught through the digital boards, and through the screen it is taught because it is the best way. And we can study it better.
Whether digital screen is different or mobile phone is
Screen,
different.
we are talking about the screen, not mobile phone only. We are talking about the screen.
Listen. You know, whenever we do study through the mobile phone, so before that we need books because we can get to know the topic, that what topic I have to study from mobile
We are
phone.
not miss, we are not comparing the mobile phone versus books. We are comparing the screen versus books. And here the digital board come under the digital board,
Let me speak.
screen,
Now,
yeah. And even you are saying that we are going
brother,
foreign
let
countries
me
so that we
speak.
can study through the books. But there also we are taught that through the digital boards. So why are we saying that we should study through the books? We should study through the mobile phone, through the screen. We should study.
Now I am speaking my point that in now generation what is happening that most of these students are getting education from the mobile phone, and because of the mobile phone they are losing their thinking power. Suppose that your teacher had given you question for doing, so most of these students they are just depend on the mobile phone for doing everything, they are not using their mind, and because of this thing thinking power of the student is decreasing. What about that?
You are saying that we are not using our mind. Who is saying that we are not using our mind? First of all, it is definitely it depends on us whether if we have mobile phone or we don't have anything. We will have to use our mind. If we don't use it, it will be our fault. Whether because we have the technology. For example, I am unable to solve any question. What will I do? I don't have any guidance. I don't have any friend who will tell me the question, who will tell me the doubt. So definitely,
Brother,
I will go to the mobile. I will go to the YouTube. I will go to the Google. There, I can get the solution. Definitely, it will be solved.
Brother, first use your mind, then use your mobile phone for solving question.
I said same thing. Like I am solving the question. I am unable to solve the question. So who will tell me that question? I will have if I am to ask the teacher from the teacher. So I will
Yeah.
have to wait for one day. Then I will get to know that what is the solution of that question.
Okay,
Even-
okay, I understood. Then I'm speaking my second point. The second point. Okay.